Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about making this awesome headboard back here. It's a project I've been working on for the past few weeks, and I finally got it finished and put up in my bedroom, which I'm pretty excited about. I've been wanting to make a headboard for 2 years now. I just never really found the right inspiration to do so, but I discovered a bunch of DIYs using these paint stir sticks, and they're actually just like those stir sticks you get for free at Home Depot, but you can actually buy them in bulk, and they're just an unfinished wood, which makes it super easy to stain or paint. And that's what I did here. I used a few different colors and layering techniques to get a nice variation in the stain, and then I put it in a herringbone pattern. So this is what the finished product looks like. I'll give you some more close-up shots, but if you're interested on making something like this for your own place, or just using this inspiration to kind of make your own design, I think you could do this to top a table or something like that, then keep on watching. And as always, all of the materials and information will be on my blog. And then don't forget to like and subscribe if you're into these sort of videos. So thanks again. All right, let's get started. So remove all your paint sticks from the plastic and quickly sand them either with sandpaper or an electric sander. And then now you're ready to stain or paint them. So I stained them. I used multiple different colors. We can talk about that a little bit later, but I layered multiple different stains on. So right here, I'm doing the first layer, which is a gray tone. And here's a good look at what some of my different colors looked like, just for some variation. And the backing of my whole headboard is actually this thick poster cardboard. And so I cut it to size. I needed 2 different boards to get the full size of my headboard. Dimensions will be in the blog. And then I did a quick coat of paint because there were some gaps and you'll be able to see through them. So you're going to want a very messy but quick coat of like a wood colored paint. And then to connect the 2 boards and add some stability, I used some scrap wood just in the center there and screwed it all together. And I used some extra paint sticks as well on the top and bottom and glued that on and screwed it in as well, just to make sure the boards were tightly together. And it really did add some stability, which I appreciated. And now I'm sorting through all my different paint sticks and the different colors that I stained them. I think I had about 4 different piles because for the herringbone pattern, I'm going to go from dark to light, back to dark. So it's just really much easier if you sort them ahead of time because you'll know exactly what you're pulling from. And then just take anything with the right angle and place your first triangle in the kind of top area and in the center of your headboard. And I just used Elmer's wood glue just to glue it down, and it worked perfectly. So that's definitely what I recommend. And you'll actually notice that I'm alternating order of the pieces. So if you see here, there's little rounded out areas of the tip of each paint stick. So you're going to want to place that rounded area not next to another rounded area on the next paint stick. So you're going to be swapping front and back of the way the paint sticks look to make sure that rounded area is not exaggerated into a hole, if that makes sense. I'll have more information on my blog if I'm not explaining it well. So just keep gluing and slowly transition through your colors for a really nice color variation. now once you're getting close to the ends, you're going to actually want to measure and cut your paint sticks before gluing them. A few of them I glued before cutting them, and it made it kind of hard to cut after. So I definitely recommend cutting them before gluing. So for this, I just used a miter saw, and I think this was like a 45-degree angle. So just mark with a pencil where you'll need to cut to make it flush to the end, and then just do a quick cut. These pieces of wood are very thin, so it shouldn't be too hard. And then once you've got everything cut, you can glue in all of the edges to your headboard. And now is time to assemble it. Because the headboard is so big, it really helps to have someone help you hang it and have you hold it there. Use your level, make sure everything's really level and straight. And then I drilled little pilot holes in the wall and on the headboard first. And that kind of told me where I needed to drill the headboard into. And I actually use these, I forgot what they're called, but use these other pieces that kind of, once you push it into the wall, it kind of expands. So it allows your drywall to handle more weight. Now this headboard isn't too heavy in general, but I would definitely recommend using those. I'll insert a picture of those here just so you can kind of know what I'm talking about. Thanks everyone so much for watching. I hope you liked this DIY. It was really fun to do. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And then check out my Instagram and blog if you want to keep in touch.